YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon. If it's on Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below, and also their website. So either or, check them out. Prime Days this week coming up. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Definitely check these guys out. This is coming from MAGABox. Make TV great again. Yeah, buddy. 4 gigabytes RAM, 32 gigabyte ROM, 2T, 2R, Android TV smart box. So definitely check these guys out. If you're looking for in this area, you can add all your apps in one spot, and you don't have to get another remote or anything like that. This will do it all. We'll test it out, see how it is. Oh man, if I could open this. There we go. And we got this box. Try and get through this quickly as I can. Might be a long video though. Drop me down. MAGABox. This is what you get when you order it. Oh man. Come on. Shake what your mama gave you. Come on. Why aren't you... There we go. Oh man. I must be getting old. Got this in good. Here we go. Mega. Ooh. Let's get the goodies out. Here's the remote. If I can get out of the bag. Ooh. It's one of these styles. Oh, I'm liking this. It's keyboard. What's that noise? Probably the USB. Okay. Whoa. Hold on. Haha. Figured it out. Requires 2 AAAs. Got the slide. It's right by one of the, it looks like a sensor type right there. So it's here. Right in front. And slide it. 2 batteries I'm going to grab. Alright, here we go. Got that one. Ooh. I like this. This is totally different. See, right here. Oh, I gotta grab the USB. Oh, there it is. Here's the USB guy. Plug that into the receiver box. Or your smart TV. You could use it for anything. See? It's like that. Look at that. Whole thing lights up. Feels good too, actually. This is nice and bright. You don't have to worry about losing this thing at night. Got a nice keyboard layout. Oh yeah, I like those remotes. So now you get the box. I got a HDMI cord, already got it set up for my other smart box I have. So I'm going to use that. I got a dual antennas. Bada boom, nice screen in front. MAGABox, nice bold colors. Here's a slide guards. Here's the side USB and TF card. Power. Back here. The SPDIF. AV, HDMI. LAN, DC. You could use wireless. So that's what I'm going to be doing, setting up with the wire Wi-Fi. And then we know how to use a power cord. It's easy. Just plug it in. I think my other one fits it, so I'll be right back. We're going to hop over to the TV right about now. Alright, here we go. Nice light up right there, LED display. And I did plug the key, or the remote right there, the USB. See it, receivers right there. Controllers right there. So we're going to hook that up. This is what it looks like. Really nice. Let me put you guys. I'm going to have to pause you guys in a minute though, because I got to put my Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. See? Works right away. Could go to settings. Network, there we go. You go to your Bluetooth speakers and all that good stuff. We're going to do network right about now.